everyone, my name's Marie and today we're going to make some Play-Doh. We will then experiment with some sensory activities that you can explore with your little ones. STEM at ScienceWorks is learning by doing in context. So for example, encouraging play-based learning and curiosity that relate to real-world scenarios. So today we want to set up some open-ended activities that give kids the opportunity to explore the properties of Play-Doh while also having fun. First, we're going to make the dough. For this, you'll need 2 cups of flour, half a cup of salt, 2 tablespoons of cream of tartar, 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil or baby oil, some gel food colouring, 1 to 1.5 cups of boiling water, and a few drops of glycerin. First, mix the flour, salt, cream of tartar, and oil in a large mixing bowl. Next, add food colouring to the boiling water. And split your batches into half or thirds if you want to make different colours. Then add your liquids to the dry ingredients and stir it continuously until it becomes a sticky dough. Add a few drops of glycerin and continue mixing. Once it's cool, it's time for the most important part. Take it out of the bowl and knead it until it's nice and smooth. You might want to add a little bit more flour as well if it's very sticky. Now that we have our Play-Doh, let's find out what we can do with it and how we can use it to encourage learning and discovery. Setting challenges is a great way to encourage play-based learning. How tall can we build? Can you add dry penne or sticks to make the structure stand taller? Another challenge might involve exploring shapes with Play-Doh. Can we mould Play-Doh into a circle? What about making 3-dimensional shapes, such as pyramids? Or can your child make a creature that stands? What prints and patterns can we discover? What mystery animal or vehicle left that imprint? Can we play with colour mixing? The ways we can explore with Play-Doh are endless. Let us know what you discover.